Research supports that values are very important when one chooses their career, and especially this is related to our MBTI type. When we look at it, we can see that each type has a preference for a particular value. When we look at our introverted sensing, we can see that autonomy is very important, and this is really true for all introverted types. Introverted types prefer autonomy. You're also going to see that autonomy is also in 3 of the extroverted perceiving types, which is ESTP, ENFP, and ENTP. However, we can also see that autonomy is not as important to the EJ types. When we look at our extroverted sensing, we can see that achievement is very, very important. And this is especially important for the TJ, for thinking and judging types, such as ISTJ, INTJ, ESTJ, and ENTJ. But it's also important for the ESFJs, the ENTPs, and also the ESFPs. Achievement, however, is not as important to the introverted perceiving types. Also interesting is that feeling types who make their judgments based on values, they tend to endorse twice as many values that are important to them as do the thinking types. So the only 2 types for whom home and family is not first is the INTJ and the INTP, which this is really not surprising given their more individualistic nature. It really makes a lot of sense. Health is among the top 3 values for every type except ENTP. They actually prefer home and family, autonomy, and achievement ahead of it. They may also be so busy trying to find new challenges that they actually pay less attention to their sensing function, which tends to be inferior, and they're going to place less value on their health issues. The learning is also a very important value, but only for the ENFJs. No other type reported learning as an important value.